Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Friends, if you delete any messages from Messenger apps and you need that data, how you can recover? Friends, there is a way to recover that messages from Messenger. I will show you in this video. Friends, for this you have to go on Messenger apps. Then you go on the menu options, triple straight line at the top left corner. Then my friends, you have to tap on the gear options, that means settings option, right, at the top. Then you have to scroll down and you have to go on privacy and safety. Then you have to go on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then my friends, you have to tap on message storage. Then if you see this one is turn off secure storage, that means it is turned on. But if you see there is turn on secure storage, that means you have to turn on over there. So on the time you have to tap once, turn on secure storage, right? So now it is turned on, that's why I'll go back. After that you have to scroll down, then you have to go on See More Account Center. Now my friends, you have to tap on your information and permissions. Tap on download your information. Tap on again download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account because the messenger is related to Facebook, because whatever you send the messages or receive the messages on Facebook, you receive through the Messenger app, right? So the Messenger app related to Facebook, that's why you have to select the Facebook. Then you have to tap on next. Then specific types of information, the other one available information, right? So I need specific types of information because I need to recover the messages from the Messenger app, that is specific types of information. So I have to select the second one. Then my friends, I need to recover the messages from the messengers, right? So here's messages. So I'll select this one, then I'll tap on next. I'll download this device, that's why I selected. But if you want to transfer to destination or anywhere else, then you have to select the next one. Now I'll select the first one and you have to tap on next. Now my friends, there's a range of date. So how many date, from how many months to how many months you need that messages. If you want to select the all time, that means when you created your Facebook account, on the first message to last messages, it will recover all the things, my friends. But I want to select the first one, last week. Then you have to tap on save. After doing that, then simply you have to click on create files, and now it is creating, my friends. You have to wait few seconds and you'll get a notification. See, here is the steps in progress, right? That means when it will be ready, here will be shown the download options, and easily you can tap on download and this information will be downloaded on your device, my friends, right? And if there is any schedule like download options, it will be shown here, and current activity is here, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can download or recover the deleted messages from the Messenger app if you have end-to-end encrypted. So friends, to recover end-to-end encrypted deleted chats from the Messenger app, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.